How to find a Gmail account by phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's get started. Open a web browser on your device, suppose Google Chrome. Now tap search bar at top of your screen and type in accounts.google.com. Tap on the search icon on your keyboard. Now tap on the profile icon at top of your screen. Then choose add another account. Here you simply need to enter your phone number linked to the Google account and tap the next button at bottom right. Now you are required to enter your password and select the next button at bottom right. So once you enter the password, Google will send a verification code to your phone. You have to tap send and enter the verification code, then tap next. Then once verified, Google will show the good Gmail account associated with your phone number, and from there you can easily find Gmail account by phone number. And that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.